What's going on? Rich DeMuro here, Rich on Tech. Taking a look at the brand new Google Pixel Buds, not available until next year, but you're seeing them right now. This is the case, fits nicely in your hand, nice and smooth, also in your pocket. Charges with USB-C on the bottom. It also doubles as a wireless charging case as well. 5 hours of battery life inside these, 24 hours with the case. So if you take them out, you can see it's an earbud that does go in the ear. Let's put them in and I'll make sure they're in there. Okay, we got the right one in, we got the left one in. Now they do fit nice and snug, but the cool thing is they put this little chamber in there so you can still sort of hear the surroundings around you. And they also did something cool with the Bluetooth. They made it last a lot further than your typical wireless earbuds, up to 3 rooms of distance inside the house, and outside the house you're going to get up to a football field of distance. And the sound also adjusts based on the ambient volume, so you don't have to keep cranking the volume up and down depending where you are. Now let's do that all-important test where I shake my head up and down. Okay, they seem to stay in. There you have it. Google Pixel Buds, available next year for $179, spring of 2020.